जय हिंद साथियों, नमस्कार। मैं हूं ओम सर। मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूं आपके अपने चैनल ओजेडी कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन पर। आज का टॉपिक है ओ लेवल एग्जाम सीरीज। ओ लेवल एग्जाम सीरीज के अति महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न 50 क्वेश्चंस को लेकर आया हूं। ओ लेवल 5th रिवाइज्ड सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग ये क्वेश्चंस हैं। पूरी टीम का एक ही लक्ष्य है कि हर एक बच्चा ओ लेवल में पास हो सके। आप ओजेडी के गोमती नगर संस्थान में भी ऑफलाइन व यूट्यूब के माध्यम से ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं। यह संस्थान 2011 से स्टूडेंट का करियर बनाने में मदद कर रहा है। यहाँ ओजेडी प्लेसमेंट सेल के माध्यम से हजारों स्टूडेंट आज इंडिया की टॉप कंपनी में काम कर रहे हैं।
ओजेडी कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन के नाइलेट ओ लेवल के सुपर 50 क्वेश्चन में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम लोग देखेंगे आईओटी का सेट नंबर 4, जिसमें हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 151 से लेके क्वेश्चन नंबर 200 तक। तो लेट्स बिगिन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 151 है, डैश इज एन एक्यूटेटर दैट कन्वर्ट्स इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी इनटू मैकेनिकल एनर्जी। ऑप्शन ए है हमारा डीसी मोटर, ऑप्शन बी एसी मोटर, ऑप्शन सी सेंसर, ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दिस। और हमारा राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए डीसी मोटर। अ डीसी मोटर इज एन एनी ऑफ अ क्लास ऑफ रोटेटरी इलेक्ट्रिकल मोटर दैट कन्वर्ट्स डायरेक्ट करंट इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी इनटू मैकेनिकल एनर्जी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 152 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए क्वेश्चन नंबर 152 है, डैश इज यूज्ड टू कैप्चर द डेटा from physical world in IoT device. Option A sensor, option B actuators, option C motors, option D stepper motors। और हमारा राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए सेंसर। A sensor is a device that detects and responds to some type of input from the physical environment. The input can be light, heat, motion, moisture and pressure। क्वेश्चन नंबर 153 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, dash is the name of a tactile sensor. Option A passive sensor, option B active sensor, option C touch sensor, option D gyro sensor। and हमारा right answer है option C touch sensor। A touch sensor is a type of device that captures and records physical touch or embrace on a device and object। क्वेश्चन नंबर 154 है, डैश सेंसर्स डू रिक्वायर्ड एन एक्सटर्नल पावर सोर्स टू मॉनिटर एन एनवायरनमेंट। हमारा ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए पैसिव सेंसर, ऑप्शन बी एक्टिव सेंसर, ऑप्शन सी वोल्टेज सेंसर, ऑप्शन डी डीएसटी सेंसर। और हमारा राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी विच इज एक्टिव सेंसर। एक्टिव सेंसर सेंड आउट अ पल्स ऑफ एनर्जी एंड डिटेक्ट द चेंजेस इन द रिटर्न सिग्नल्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 155 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, डैश एक्यूटेटर यूज प्रेशराइज्ड ऑयल दैट इज इनकम्प्रेसिबल। ऑप्शन ए इज हाइड्रोलिक, ऑप्शन बी बैरोमीटर, ऑप्शन सी स्टेपर मोटर एंड ऑप्शन डी इज सेंसर। एंड आवर राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए हाइड्रोलिक। Hydraulic sensors are measuring device that register hydraulic process variable such as pressure, flow rate, filling level, temperature और contamination in real time। क्वेश्चन नंबर 156 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, डैश व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर डिसाइडेड बाय द प्रोसेसर टू एक्सिक्यूट एन इंस्ट्रक्शन। ऑप्शन ए फेच डिकोड execute, option B execute fetch decode, option C decode fetch execute, option D fetch and decode। The right answer is A. A sensor is a device that detects and responds to some type of input from the physical environment, and the input can be light, heat, motion, moisture and pressure। क्वेश्चन नंबर 157 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, dash are the medical system application of embedded systems। Our option is option A PT MRI PET, B CT MRI PET, option C BT MRI PET, option D CT PRI PET। So in these questions I think our option will be option B, which is CT MRI PET। application, it is application of embedded system in the medical field include imaging systems such as magnetic resonance imaging MRI and computed tomography which is CT. क्वेश्चन नंबर 158 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, टच स्क्रीन डिवाइसेस यूजेस एनालॉग सेंसर, बी एक्टिव सेंसर, ऑप्शन सी प्रेशर सेंसर, ऑप्शन डी पैसिव सेंसर, एंड आवर राइट आंसर विल बी pressure sensor. A pressure sensor is a device that senses pressure and converts it into an electrical signal where the amount depends upon the pressure applied. Question number 159 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, dash type of phone sensor is used in screen brightness adjustment. Option A light sensor, option B analog light sensor, option C ambient light sensor, and option D is ambient light sensor. And our right answer will be ambient light sensor. So here it is, ambient light sensor is a photodetector that is used to sense the amount of ambient light present and appropriately dim the devices to screen match. Question number 200 की तरफ 160 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, TMS 1000 Intel 4000 are example of option A microcontroller, option B microprocessor, option C microchip, option D USB. So TMS 1000 and Intel is an example of our microcontroller. So I think option A will be the right answer, and here it is, option A is right answer. TMS 1000 is a family of a microcontroller introduced by Texas Instruments in 1974. Question number 161 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, LDR sensor work on the principle of dash. Option A is photoconductivity, option B hydroprocess, option C electric conductivity, option D nanoconductivity, and the right answer will be option A photoconductivity. LDR or light dependent resistors, as the name states, is a special type of resistor that works on the photoconductivity principle. Question number 162 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, which sensor measure the moisture level using humidity? Option A resistive sensors, option B capacitive sensors, option C thermal sensor, option D both resistive and conductive. So our right answer will be option B capacitive sensor. A capacitive sensor is an electronic device that can detect solid or liquid target without physical contact. Question number 163 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, which sensor is LM35? Option A temperature sensor, option B humidity sensors, option C pressure sensor, option D touch sensors. So our right answer will be temperature sensor. LM35 is a temperature measuring device having an analog and output voltage proportional to the temperature. Question number 164 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, LDR sensor are made up of A, option A semiconductor, option B PBS, option C both A and B, and option D none of these. And our right answer will be option C, which is both A and B semiconductor and PBS. The LDR made with photosensitive semiconductor materials like cadmium sulfide, lead sulfide, lead selenide, indium antimonide and cadmium selenide. Question number 165 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, dash are the type of actuator. Option A hydraulic, pneumatic, electrical, option B electrical and thermal, option C mechanical, and option D all of the above. And our right answer will be D all above. There are various types of actuators including pneumatic, hydraulic, electrical, magnetic and thermal and mechanical also. Question number 166 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Option A electric motor, option B electric generator, option C electric transformer, and option D none of these. And our right answer will be option A, which is electric motor. An electric motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Question number 167 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, which actuator uses a heat source to generate motion? ऑप्शन ए थर्मल एक्चुएटर्स, ऑप्शन बी मैग्नेटिक एक्चुएटर्स, ऑप्शन सी बोथ ए एंड बी, एंड ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दीज. सो which actuator heat source to generate motion, and I think the option C is the right answer, which is both A and B. Thermal actuators magnetic converts thermal energy into kinetic energy or motion. क्वेश्चन नंबर 168 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, which sensor measures the pressure relative to atmospheric pressure? ऑप्शन ए एब्सोल्यूट प्रेशर, ऑप्शन बी वैक्यूम प्रेशर सेंसर, ऑप्शन सी गॉस प्रेशर सेंसर, ऑप्शन डी डिफरेंशियल प्रेशर सेंसर, एंड आवर राइट आंसर विल बी option number C, which is gauge pressure sensor. Gauge pressure sensor measures pressure relative to the local atmospheric pressure. Question number 169 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, the component of sensor node is dash. Option A radio transceiver, option B microcontroller, option C universal serial bus, and option D all of the above. And our right answer will be all of the above. The main component of a sensor node usually involved a microcontroller, transceiver, external memory, power sources and more sensors. Question number 170 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, microprocessor have following components embedded in them. Option A RAM, option B memory, option C both A and B, and option D none of these. So our right answer will be option C both A and B. Microprocessor components of this processor are ALU, control unit, input and output devices, and register array ALU unit. Question number 171 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, which sensor of these statement regarding sensor is true? Option A sensor are input device, option B sensors can be analog as well as digital, option C sensor sense the data from surrounding, and option D all of the above. And our right answer will be option D all of the above. A sensor is a device that detects and responds to some type of input from the physical environment. The input can be light, heat, motion, moisture and pressure. Question number 172 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, which of the following are the hardware components of an embedded system? Option A computer processor, option B device peripheral, option C computer memory, option D all of the above. And our right answer will be all of the above. All of the components belong to the component of an embedded system like processor, memory and other peripherals. Question number 173 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, keyboard pins while interfacing can cause interrupt call. Option A timer interrupt, option B software interrupt, option C external hardware interrupt, after option D interfacing interrupt. And our right answer will be option C external hardware interrupt. The pins of the keyboard act as an external hardware interrupt as some external pulse is helping in generating this interrupt. Question number 174 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, which of the following are the software environment used for an embedded system? Option A Protus, option B LabVIEW, option C MATLAB, and option D all of the above. And our right answer will be option A. The Protus design suite is a proprietary software tool suite used primarily for electronic design automation. Question number 175 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, the temperature and humidity sensors value are printed in. Option A PyPy, option B OLED matrix, option C PIP, option D none of the above. And our right answer will be option B, which is OLED matrix. When we read the temperature and humidity values from the sensors, we printed the values in an OLED matrix format. Question number 176 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, which of the following stores your application program in microcontroller? Option A ROM, which is read only memory, option B RAM random access memory, option C OSI, option D heavy loop system, and our answer will be read only memory ROM, which is non volatile memory used in computers and electronic devices to store applications programs. Question number 177 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, Which of these is a part of sensing layer of IoT? Option A, service integration. Option B, data sensing and actuators. Option C, service repository. And option D, business logic. And our right answer will be data sensing and actuators. An actuator is a machine components or system that moves or control the mechanism of the system. Sensor in the device sense environment. Question number 178 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, स्मार्ट फिटनेस क्लोजिंग मेनली हैज विच डिवाइस? ऑप्शन ए बैटरी, ऑप्शन बी ब्लूटूथ, ऑप्शन सी इंटरनेट, ऑप्शन डी सेंसर्स. So our right answer will be option D, sensors. A sensor is device that detects and responds to some type of input from the physical environment. The input can be light, heat, motion, moisture and pressure. Question number 179 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, what do you mean by micro in microcontroller? Option A, distance between two ICs. Option B, distance between two pins. Option C, size of the controller. Option D, distance between two transistors. Or our right answer will be option D, distance between two transistors, where micro is a distance between two transistors in microcontroller. Question number 180 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, what bit represent the address bit in the control registers? Option A, MML. Option B, MX. Option C, ML. And option D, MM. Or our right answer will be option B, which is MX. MX represent the address bit in the control register. Question number 181 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, sensors can be. What sensors can be? A sensor can be option A, light. A sensor can be option B, temperature. Or option C, both A and B. And option C, D. So right answer will be option A, both. Option C, both A and B. Right answer will be option C. Okay. So question number 182 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, actuators can be option A, display. Option B, monitor. Option C, sound. Option D, all of the above. And our right answer will be option D, all of the above. An actuator is a part of device or machine that help it to achieve physical movement by converting energy of an electrical, air or hydraulic. Question number 183 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, examples of sensor are gas sensor. Option A, gas sensor. Option B, water quality sensor. Option C, moisture sensors. And option D, all of the above. And our right answer will be D, option D, all of the above. A sensor is a device that detects and responds to some type of input from the physical environment. The input can be light, heat, motion, moisture and pressure. Question number 184 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, Arduino Bluetooth has dash digital pins. Option A, 64 pins. Option B, 32 pins. Option C, 28 pins. Option D, 16 pins. And our right answer will be Arduino Bluetooth has 16 digital pins. So option D is the right answer. Question number 185 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, MQ135 sensor is dash. Option A, AI detector. Option B, gas sensor. Option C, monitor air pollution. And option D, option B and C. And here option D is right answer, which is the MQ135 gas sensor can detect gases like ammonia, sulfur, benzene and carbon dioxide and some other type of harmful gases and smoke also. So here option D is right answer, which is B and C, gas sensor and monitor air pollution. Question number 186 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, characteristic of microprocessor is option A, instruction set. Option B, word length. Option C, clock speed. Option D, all of the above. Or our right answer will be microprocessor have word length, clock speed with instruction set and characteristics. So option D, all of the above will be the right answer. Question number 187 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, characteristic of microcontroller is option A, make the circuit. Option B, save the power. Option C, both A and B option. Option D, none of the above. And our right answer will be both A and B, to help in circuit and save the power. Characteristic of microcontroller. क्वेश्चन नंबर 188 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ 8051 माइक्रोकंट्रोलर आर, ऑप्शन ए मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट, ऑप्शन बी डिफेंस सिस्टम्स, ऑप्शन सी aeronautical and space, option D all of the above, and our right answer will be option number D all of the above. Medical equipments, defense system and aeronautical system are application of 8051 microcontroller. Question number 189 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, Arduino was introduced in dash year, option A 2005, option B 2010, option C 2012, option D 2014, and our right answer will be option A, which is 2005. The Arduino project began in 2005 as a tool for students at the Interaction Design Institute, Ivrea, Italy. Question number 190 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, the founder of Arduino project is option A Massimo Cypress, option B Tim Lee, option C Jim Carley, option D Massimo Banzi, and our right answer will be option number D, which is Massimo Banzi. Massimo Banzi is the co-founder of the Arduino project. He is an interaction designer educator. Question number 191 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, Arduino UNO dash device, option A hardware device, option B software, option C complex, option D slow, and our right answer will be option number A, which is hardware. Arduino UNO is a hardware. Question number 192 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, code once written can be uploaded to option A Arduino interpreter, option B Arduino board, option C Arduino shell, option D Arduino compiler, and our right answer will be option number B, which is Arduino board. Arduino boards are able to read inputs, light on a sensor, a finger on a button or a Twitter message, and turn it into an output, activating a motor, turning on a LED. Question number 193 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, Arduino UNO has dash PWM pins, option A 8 pins, option B 9 pins, option C 6 pins, option D 4 pins, and our right answer will be 6 pins. Option C is right. Arduino has 6 PWM pins. Question number 194 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, dash is a valid data type in embedded C language. Option A complex, option B linked list, option C hash set, option D float, and our right answer will be option D float. Float is a valid data type in embedded C language. Question number 195 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, dash is the size of ADC and DAC, analog to digital converter and digital to analog converter. Option A 10 bit, option B 20 bit, option C 30 bit, and option D 40 bit. So 10 bit, option A 10 bit is the size of ADC analog to digital converter and DAC digital to analog converter. Question number 196 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, dashboard is the first to use microcontroller within build USB. Option A Billboard, option B Bold U10, option C Leonardo, option D Mark 1, and our right answer will be option number C, which is Leonardo Bolt is the first to use the microcontroller within built USB. Question number 197 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, dash model of Arduino is more stable than any other. Option A Blue Bolt, option B Red Bolt, option C Yellow Bolt, option D White Bolt, and our right answer will be option B, which is Red Bolt. Red Bolt Arduino is a more stable than any other. Question number 198 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, approved voltage for Arduino types are dash and dash volts. Option A 3 and 6 volt, option B 4 and 12 volts, option C 6 and 12 volts, option D 8 and 6 volt, and our right answer will be option 6, option C 6 and 12 volt approved voltage for Arduino types. क्वेश्चन नंबर 199 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, PWM stand for development environment, option C inter development environment, option D international development environment, or right answer will be option B integrated development environment. So this is last question of this series.
आपके लिए महत्वपूर्ण सूचना है कि आप हमारे संस्थान से ऑफलाइन क्लासरूम व YouTube ऑनलाइन के माध्यम से पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं, जहां आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, वेबसाइट डिज़ाइनिंग, ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनिंग, ओ लेवल, CCC, सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, मशीन लर्निंग, IoT, टैली प्राइम, GST, C++, जावा, पाइथन, .NET एंड अदर टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड प्रोजेक्ट ट्रेनिंग व अन्य कोर्सेज को इंडस्ट्री बेस्ट प्रोफेशनल से पढ़ सकते हैं। आपको कुछ पूछना है तो आप हमें ojditconline@gmail.com पर मेल भेज सकते हैं। आप OJD कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एवं सब्सक्राइब कर दें, जिससे आगे के वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जुड़ने के लिए। कीप लर्निंग, सी यू सून इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो।